Teachers in the United States need a plan B. If it wasn't already such an issue with the burnout because of the apathy and the behavior and the engagement and the parents, the Department of Education might not be here soon, which means funding and special education help and Title I programs may no longer exist. When I decided I wanted to go into teacher training and I started Student Centered World in 2018, I had no idea, none of us had an idea that this is what the future held for the state of education. My suggestion for everybody is that it might not be as intense as having to get another degree or trying to find another job. You might be able to take the path that I took in starting something online that can replace your salary, bring you joy, and fill in the gap. At the very least, it can give you an outlet for something that has meaning to you, something that excites you, and could bring in a little bit of extra income. On the flip side, it could be your saving grace if things really turn the way that they could. I've branched out and created a second website now with free webinar and stuff like that to help if you're interested in potentially starting your own online journey as a plan B or a backup plan or just something to do to get you in a different headspace to bring you joy again. The site itself is scwbehindthescenes.com. And as I mentioned, I have a 25-minute workshop that I put together on how you can get started with a website right away. Literally at the end of the workshop, you will know what you need to do to get a website started. And then if you're interested in taking it further, I can help you with how you grow it and make money off of it. It's not an MLM. You are completely in charge of everything and how it goes. So at a time where it seems like we have control over nothing, it might be something just to consider. And if there's anything else that I can help with in the interim, I'm always happy to.